One of the lawyers for the accused in the Katie Miller murder is having a hard time convincing the judge to order a psychiatric assessment for his client. Kelly O'Donnell and Jason Johnson were back in court today. Both are charged with first-degree murder and indecently interfering with human remains. A judge denied a request for a psychiatric assessment for the two last month. Today, he maintained the lawyers must show reasonable grounds.
It seems to be changing. I have to say I've practiced in 4 jurisdictions, and my word has often been the only thing that the judge wanted.
I do believe that the actions of my client might be affected by mental illness. I do have such a belief, and I think it is a potential defense.
Johnson's lawyer has withdrawn his request for a psychiatric assessment. Both accused will be back in court next week to set dates for a preliminary inquiry. Katie Miller went missing in July. Her remains were found 4 months later.